How to cancel auto payment on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can cancel the auto payment on Spotify. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to cancel the auto payment or any other kind of subscription, you can't use the app. You need to open up a browser of any choice. After opening up your browser, just go to spotify.com and log in into your account. After logging in into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of home interface. So what I want you to do is tap on settings here, and here tap on view account. And here you can easily see this manage your subscription option. So you just need to tap on this option. And then if you have any subscription or any kind of plans that you've joined on Spotify, then you may just come to here. You may just come here and cancel the auto payment or cancel your subscription just by following the steps. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.